Alright mga kapatid, sa ginanap na Manila Dialogue 2025, dito mga tol, in-expose ni Commodore J. Tariela kung ano ang ginagawa ng China sa West Philippine Sea. Panoorin natin to mga tol.
I'm just a young nigga chillin' on it. First time I seen ice was a
Alright mga kapatid, sa nakaraang video na ating pinanood, maalala ninyo, itinanggi ng representative ng China, itong eksperto na tinatawag na Dr. Wu, na ang Chinese Coast Guard daw mga kapatid ay walang laser, laser cannon. Yung ginagamit ng China Coast Guard para i-laser yung ating mga barko. Kahit na well-documented yan, sinasabi niya na yun daw ay isang disinformation. So panoorin natin mga kapatid yung kanyang sinabi.
I don't want to debate with Jen and not. I just share the information. As far as I know, China's Coast Guard doesn't have so-called laser weapons. So that's totally fake news.
So yun ang sabi niya. Sa pagkakaalam niya daw mga kapatid, ang China Coast Guard ay walang laser weapons o walang laser cannon. Yung ginamit nga nilang nakakabulag mga tol pag tinamaan ka. So yan daw ay totally fake news. Ano ba yung sinasabi niyang fake news dito mga tol? Eto. Kasi merong i-present mga kapatid si Commodore J. Tariela dito mismo sa Manila Dialogue na ito kung saan ipinakita niya sa pamamagitan ng isang well-documented video kung ano yung mga ginagawang pangaharas, ginagawang mga aksyon ng China dito sa West Philippine Sea. Na ito'y makikita ng iba't ibang mga bansa. Diba? Makikita ng international media, makikita ng buong mundo. Na dito rin mga tol sa pagkakataon na to pilit itinatanggi. Kakasabi nga lang kanina yun daw ay totally fake news. Pero mga kapatid, panoorin natin to.
Good morning everyone. Thank you Lina. Our topic for today is disinformation. As you know, I have been mentioning this a lot of times. The greatest challenge of the Philippine government in our fight for our sovereignty and sovereign rights in the West Philippine Sea is not the big Coast Guard vessels from the People's Republic of China or the Chinese Coast Guard, but because of disinformation and fake news and malign influence. This is actually a video showing China Coast Guard using military-grade laser against a 44-meter Philippine Coast Guard vessel patrolling in Ayungin Shoal way back in February of 2023. This is actually the first story that what we publicized to expose the Chinese aggressive action.
Actually, dito nag-umpisa ang lahat mga tol.
The military-grade laser actually resulted to temporary blindness of our Coast Guard sailor for 10 to 15 seconds. A day after we released this, the Chinese embassy here in Manila had a press conference and then they said, this video is actually not accurate because that laser that they're using is just an ordinary laser pointer.
Sinasabi nila yung mga nabibili lang mga kapatid, yung ginagamit ng mga professor pag nagtuturo, di ba? Yung mga laser pointer. Yun lang daw yun mga tol, hindi daw yan military grade laser. So sinasabi nga kanina ni Dr. Wu, ito daw ay isang fake news. Dahil sa pagkakaalam niya nga daw, walang ganito ang Coast Guard nila.
This is the second video that I'm presenting is actually the Chinese maritime militia. More than 220 of them that are just doing nothing within our own exclusive economic zone. The justification of the Chinese government is that they are just there to be safe for bad weather conditions. As you are aware, you can see from the video, it is a very fine weather and the Chinese are occupying our exclusive economic zone.
Harap-harapan tayong niloloko Nandiyan lang daw yan para safe dahil masama ang panahon. Kaya nakaangkala lang sila dyan. Kita nyo naman napakakalmado ng dagat. Wala namang bagyo.
This is another video from Second Thomas Shoal last year when the Chinese Coast Guard decided to become pirates, bringing knives, pikes, axes, attacking our Philippine Navy as they carried out a legitimate and routine resupply mission on board BRP Sierra Madre. There's another video showing how reckless and unprofessional the Chinese Coast Guard are when they rammed intentionally and collided with the Philippine Coast Guard vessel while it was anchored in Escoda Shoal.
Pero ang sabi nila dyan mga tol, yung BRP, ano ba yung BRP na yan? Teresa Magbanwa. Naka-ankle yan mga tol dun sa may Sabina Shoal. Tayo daw ang bumangga sa kanila. Kahit kitang-kita naman sa video mga tol, talagang intentionally binangga talaga nila yung likod at yung tagiliran. Nabutas nga yung BRP, BRP Teresa Magbanwa, nabutas yung tagiliran dyan eh. Ito, itong video na to, yung nasa kanan. Ito yung gilid ng barko. Binangga nila.
These are the aerial video that I got personally from my iPhone when we flew at Mischief Reef and Subi Reef. You have heard a lot of times that the Chinese are not militarizing these reclaimed islands, but as you can see from the structures that they have constructed, obviously, these are military-grade infrastructure to accommodate military assets, from jet fighters to PLA Navy warships. All of this are there and falls within our own exclusive economic zone as well.
May mga basketball court, may football court. Grabe, no? Napakayaman samantalang sa atin. Isang barkong nabubulok na doon, no?
And for the other fake news that the Chinese are doing, they always say that they are just passing through, exercising freedom of navigation within our own exclusive economic zone. But as a matter of fact, all of these Chinese research vessels are conducting unauthorized and illegal marine scientific research within our own exclusive economic zone.
Well documented lahat yan mga tol.
This is another interesting video showing how professional, as they claim, the Chinese PLA Navy pilot getting closer to the...
So eto mga kapatid, itong video ng ipinapakita ni Commodore J. Tariela, ito yung actual video kung saan mga tol makikita natin itong PLA Navy helicopter nila ay lumapit ng sobrang lapit. Actually umibabaw, no, dito sa ating eroplano, dito nung nagsasagawa tayo ng maritime domain awareness dito sa may Bajo de Masinloc. No, ganyan sila ka-professional mga tol. Ganyan, no, napakalapit, sobra. No, sad to say mga kapatid, patapos na itong video to eh. Hindi ko na mahanap yung kasunod nito. Sadly nga lang naputol itong pagtalakay o pagpapakita ni Commodore J. Tariela ng mga video dito sa Manila Dialogue. No? So ngayon, bilang isang Pilipino mga tol, ano ang inyong masasabi rito? Pwede kayong magbigay ng inyong sariling komentaryo, pwede kayong magbigay ng inyong sariling reaksyon mga tol. Dahil etong mga pinakita ni Commodore J. Tariela, sa kabila ng mga ipinakita niyang to, ang sagot sa kanya nung Chinese representative, ito'y perspective lang ng Pilipinas. Ito'y naratibo lang ng Pilipinas. Yung military grade laser na sinasabi ni Commodore J. Tariela, yun daw ay fake news. Yun daw ay disinformation. Anong masasabi nyo doon? Comment na lamang kayo sa ibaba. Hanggang sa muli, ako nga pala si Shobaldi. Peace out.